Hi, I'm Makoy, and we're going to talk about Fiido M1 today. So this is what came with the box of Fiido M1. The pre-assembled Fiido bike, a CST BFT 20x4 fat tire in shader valve, a rotor in size 160, and the axle to close the hub. Seat post, size 33.9, charger and adapter, basic tools for installation, and the user manual. To install the bike, first, fold the stem, then lock it. Unscrew the plate, then put the handlebar and screw them tightly. Then next is the seat post. Loose the clamp, then put the seat post to the seat tube, then lock the clamp. For the front tire, place the tire into the fork, then put the axle to secure the tire. Here what it looks like on the other side. Last, adjust the light, and we're done.